Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you love a good bag charm, then this little pretzel is going to be perfect for your collection.
If there's one thing you need to know about me is that I love a good pretzel. So I fell in love with this keychain from Kiyomi. It is so perfect. It is made with really high quality, durable materials, so it has really great wear and damage resistance. I love beer and pretzels, so this went perfectly with my bottle opener keychain from one of my favorite breweries. And I really just love it as a bag charm. It is so cute. I have gotten so many compliments on it. It is really just a high quality piece that adds a touch of whimsy to my purse, and I couldn't love it anymore.
I love adding quirky little items to my keys or my purse. This little pretzel is just the cutest thing. And I think it is the perfect accessory to add to your bag charm collection. And that's my point of view.